trick and tip for the day for all the helpers, apprentices trying to do conduit bending or getting into conduit bending, and then they're practicing on multiple bends and one same stick. I know it can be a little difficult, but here's a tip and trick I have learned through the trade, and I'm just trying to pass on to you guys. So I already have this offset on this stick, but let's say that you have an offset on the stick too, and you need to do a 90, but you just don't want to mess up because your foreman or your J-man's right there and you want to impress him. Well, what you do is you get a solid wire, like any size and length that you like. I already put an offset on it, as you can see, to represent that offset on my stick. This is going to represent this. And all we're going to do is we're going to use this and practice on this instead of messing it up on this. Okay, so what we do is that since we have our offset, I need to come down from the wall and offset to a box, but I also need to do a 90. So I'm going to represent my finger as a bender, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my offset right here. Okay, and then when we do a 90, we bring it up, right here, 90. Cool. We put our level right here, check if it's level, and then what we do is that we flip it around and we check if it fits. And it's going all the right direction. So what this tells me is that I do need to put my bender and my offset facing the left side. Whoop, whoop. And put my bender right here and do my 90. And then that will fit perfectly into the box that I need to do. You see? Let's just pretend like it's an offset. Right there, boom, and then my 90. Hope this helps you guys in the trade. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. If you guys want more tips and tricks throughout the days, let me know. And I'll be happy to help you guys, because I know out there that we're always trying to find tips and tricks to make jobs easier, work easier. So comment, subscribe, and like, and have a wonderful day.